Welcome to TechPacks, your partner in advanced research and development. In this video, we will be presenting the details about one of the most demanding research projects titled Bi-LSTM-based COVID-19 detection model. This research project can be extended further to publish a research paper in a reputed journal or used for your PhD or MTech thesis. So, if you are a researcher, PhD, or MTech research scholar working on a similar research project and need expert guidance to handle the complexities of research in this field, you're in the right place. Watch this video till the end to gain valuable insights into the project's objectives, methodology, and results. We'll also provide a demo of the code in action, showcasing its key features and functionalities. So, let's begin. Our professional researcher will now take the lead and guide you through the details. Here we go.
Hello friends, welcome to TechPacks Research and Innovation Services. Today I'm here to present you one of the research area that we have designed for medical healthcare. As artificial intelligence is attaining much interest in the medical healthcare, so it is inspired from that. And the dataset on which we are working is basically related to the COVID-19 because that is one of the crucial field now these days. It is not restricted to this only. Any informative data set can be used and processed by using the proposed model. So before moving to the main explanation and other, let's see that what we will cover into this video. This video, initially we will discuss about that what application areas the developed system can be implemented. Along with that, whatever the code we have designed, how to execute it, which file is to be executed, and what are the software requirements for it. Parallelly, we will discuss about what is the current system, what is already done, and what are the problem identified along with the proposed methodology overview that what we have done. Finally, the results and the findings that come out after the simulation will be shown. So let's talk about the application areas. The AI is attaining much interest these days in the biomedical. So this is for the biomedical applications in the medical healthcare and basically for the doctors and medical institutes to predict the issues related to the health or the problem that can be arised in the future. So on that behalf, it can instead of doing the manual procedure, these AI can help you to predict the actual outcomes. So our problem is basically not only detecting the COVID, it is related to initially detecting the COVID and secondly understanding the requirements of ICU to handle that situation. So this is how it is different from the previous problems. So I will give you the detail in the next phase. Before that, let's see that how the code is to be executed. Here you can see we do have this folder, so we will provide you the folder in which this code folder is there. This is having the dataset and all related other files. Along with that, to run this code you just need the MATLAB software. So the MATLAB version that we are using is MATLAB 2019. You can use 2018 or above, but make sure it should be a full version. It should not be only the trial version. So I recommend 2018 or 19 only. So how to run this code? You just need to go to the folder where the code is placed and you just need to copy this path from here. Then go to the MATLAB and copy the whole path here, Control V and enter. You can see whatever the files were there in that folder will be shown here. So you just need to open this main covid.m file and it will be open in the editor window. When the editor window will be open, you can see the the upper tab is changed. Now it is editor one, which was initially the home. Here is the run command which will be used to run this particular code. So you will just need to click on this and you can get the results. So I'm running this code. In the meantime, let's see that what exactly this application is and what is done into it. So the base paper that we are following for it is basically machine learning to predict the COVID-19 and ECU requirement. So we have considered this application because it was unique in comparison to the previous system where only COVID-19 is getting predicted. It is having the data set that is giving the prediction of the COVID-19, that how many cases can be there in the future. Along with that, what can be the ICU requirements. So if it is predicting correctly as per the count of the COVID-19 cases, then obviously it will be better and the real-time application which can be implemented in any of the area, not specifically for the COVID-19. So the data set is considered, the data set that is considered is taken from this paper's information where they have told that whatever the dataset they have used. So by following that particular dataset, the dataset information is I think available Here, let's see. Yes. Hospital Israeli Albert Einstein, Brazil, where the attributes have been given. What they have done to analysis that they have implemented different machine learning algorithm, that is random forest, XGBoost, and logistic regression. But all these are the machine learning algorithms. It is proven that machine learning is restricted to the limited data when the data is getting to the higher scale. As the application we are considering is the COVID-19, so it was on the world level. So data can be huge. So we have recommended that the method that they are using for handling this data is better to be shifted to the deep learning instead of the machine learning. Secondly, they have used the feature extraction method, that is univariate method, for getting the features and training the model. And finally, they did analysis in terms of precision, accuracy, F1 score, recall, and specificity. So what we have recommended that there should be a effective selection technique, and later on the deep learning model should be implemented. So for extracting the feature, we have implemented the technique named ECFS, which is basically eigen. Let me show you as the code is running and training is happening. So the technique that we are using is basically eigen ECFS. Let me show you here. ECFS, eigen centric feature selection model. So it is eigenvector centrality feature selection. So ECFS, eigencentrality, eigenvector centrality feature selection model. So this is inspired from eigenvectors, but advanced variant of it. So what we are doing, how we are implementing it, we are initially processing the data that we have taken as per the information given in the base paper. Then we are pre-processing it, where we are evaluating if any data is the nan value, or if it is nan, we are filling it. Then we are taking the data as it is having two tasks. So two different columns have been considered in the Y train, which is basically the classes. One is representing whether it has a COVID or not. Secondly, the requirements of the ICUs. Then we have applied the ECFS model, which is using the eigencentrality and the infinite feature selection method collaboratively, and given us the weights and ranks for both the cases as per the output classes for the COVID detection in the future and the ICU requirement in the future. On that we have set the threshold as a 0.7% of the mean of the weights achieved, and get the locations of the feature set. Similarly for the second scenario. On that behalf, then we have splitted the whole data into 60 by 40, where 60 is used for training and 40 is used for testing. So you can see initially the COVID prediction has been done by using the proposed DL method. In the proposed DL method, we have implemented Bi-LSTM network, which is a RNN model, an advanced variant of RNN. Mostly the LSTM is recommended, but Bi-LSTM is the advanced variant of the Bi-LSTM, which we Bi-LSTM is the advanced variant of the LSTM, which we have implemented. So ECFS, this is the whole code that we have implemented in order to get the features. So the model is trained for scenario 1 and for the ICU requirement. In both the scenarios, the result has been extracted and finally compared with the results. These results has been taken from the base paper. As you can see at the end, they have given us the results. These are the values. In the tabular form, we have taken these values and directly mentioned here and compared it with the values those we have achieved from the proposed results. So all the outcomes has been analyzed, and you can see the results that we are achieving for the ICU requirement is around precision is 100%, recall 99, specificity, F score, and accuracy. Similarly for the COVID-19 prediction, it is like this. So let's see whatever the results are. We have analyzed the results in terms of different parameters for the COVID classification as well as for the ICU requirement. So you can see by comparing the existing models, our proposed method curve, that is green in color in the last, you can see it is higher for the precision, recall, specificity, F1 score, and accuracy. So it is higher in comparison to the other existing methods. Similarly for the ICU prediction, Our proposed method is higher in the terms of accuracy, recall, F score, and accuracy. So further modifications are still possible into it because we are implementing the RNN's Bi-LSTM model. Even more options are available. More complex feature extraction and selection methods can be done, where the extraction method can help in maintaining the pattern information of the data. Many other possibilities are there for the research purpose in the medical domain, biomedical applications, and the deep learning artificial intelligence. The researchers for the doctorate or the industrial applications, they can contact us directly for more information. Thanks for watching the video.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. For more information about this research project and to get our consultancy services, click the link in the description below. At TechPacks, we offer comprehensive support for researchers, PhD, and MTech students in the fields of engineering and ICT. Our services include selection of research topic, helping you choose the right topic tailored to your interests and the latest trends. Synopsis preparation, crafting a clear and concise synopsis with well-defined objectives. Coding assistance, providing expert help with writing and optimizing code in various tools and platforms. Research paper writing, assisting in drafting and editing research papers to meet the highest academic standards. Dissertation writing, offering complete support for your dissertation, ensuring consistency and quality. Plagiarism check and removal, ensuring your work is original and free from plagiarism with advanced detection tools. We also offer customization services to meet your specific project needs. Whether you require a modification of an existing project or a completely new application, our team of experts is here to help. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on cutting-edge research projects and expert advice. Thank you for choosing TechPacks. We look forward to collaborating with you on your research journey.